character is the reason why he was broken up with, not who she is.
Yeah, yeah. That is a very fair assessment. And so my argument here, so what I'm gonna say is I'm going to lay down my perspective, what my evidences are that are going to support my argument. Okay.
Okay.
At the end of the day, okay. So Haiji is taking a lot of people's time with this goal of his. They're running in the morning and they're running at night, and I don't know what else they do, but at the very least, I know that each of these will take up at least 1 hour, if not two, per session. So that's like 2 to 4 hours per day gone from that. And then there's also taking a bath and hot tub and whatnot because they need to refresh their body and recover their body as well. So they can't really do much when they're recovering their body, right? So that basically the whole day is gone because of the body that needs to recover, especially in the beginning.
Sure.
And then obviously Shindo is the guy that we'll call him like the progenitor anyway, that of supporting the entire project, and he has this charisma that brings people together with him to go along with this, because he just has this vibe that he's so happy-go-lucky yet so hardworking, and it's infectious, really, at the end of the day.
True. True.
So that supports your argument about his personality, anyway. But my argument is that it is indeed the time. It has always been about the time. But so if he didn't go along with Haiji's plan, he definitely would still have his girlfriend. And the thing is that Haiji's the entire course of the anime, a lot of time is spent on running and stretching and just keeping up the schedule, and just a lot of work has to be done, and there are even comments, like for example the brothers, they comment about how he never misses university class, which means that the others would have been missing their university classes.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so it doesn't go for everyone, of course, but at the end of the day, even if, like, for example, the I forgot the smoker guy's name. I'll just call him Smoker, ex-smoker. We'll call him ex-smoker.
Yeah, right. There we go.
Right. Yeah. So he can still keep up with his job, but that's just because he can work from home anyway. He's a coder.
True.
He's a programmer,
Yep.
so it's possible for him. But the others, well, I know that King, he did have a lot of free time or whatever, because job hunting alone isn't enough to like get you off the ground anyway. But that
Right.
does like tell you a little bit about how everybody can spend their time. There can still be like areas that are free to do stuff, and Shindo just makes the most out of everything as much as he can, and he doesn't want to put down the importance of anything that he cherishes, and he tries to include his girlfriend into it, but at the end of the day, like a relationship is still not, it's not part of progress. And Shindo sees that, like, we need like more support and whatnot, and he wants to help, and that progress is very necessary to his eyes. So by seeing that, his subconscious sees that there are these importances that are just he cannot give her the time that she needs because he has school, he has the to train for the track and field, and now he's also making a website to get more support so that his team can have a better experience at the end of the day.
Right.
Yeah, and my argument was that Haiji is definitely the reason why he doesn't have time for his girlfriend, and why they have to break up because, yes, his personality does play a role, but it doesn't play as big of a role as Haiji, who started it all and enabled him to be this way. And it's not to say that it's bad or anything. It's just that it's the way that it has to be, that she has to give up on him because he doesn't have time for her. But also I'm gonna assume that she can see that she's just bringing Shindo down, and she doesn't want to be the one to bring him down because at the end of the day she is an extra, and that extra could be that extra time and effort and whatnot could be spent on recovering, progressing in what he wanted to progress on, and just it overall affects his health more positively if she's out of his life. As sad as that sounds, anyway, but it's the truth just because of the situation that he's in, and and how he had to. He's like doing too much, and that is his personality, to be doing too much, and she doesn't want to, be the one hurting him, even if he doesn't see it that way. But physically, it is that way because the time that she's taking away, and like how he has to run to her, he's rushing to her, he has to run to her, and like having to rush like that, I mean, yeah, that does make her an important person in his life, but she's probably seen that he's doing too much, and she doesn't want to be a part of that. She doesn't want to bring him down like that.
Yeah. No, it's a good point. Good way to think about it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is assuming that she's like that anyway, but obviously, I do think that she puts herself more importantly. So there's like sections anyway. So she would put herself as maybe 60 to 70%, and then what I said was the unselfish side, being 30 to 40% or something like that, right? Because the way that she was portraying everything, like she was very down about it, but at the end of the day, she was feeling more hurt than he's like, he doesn't even know it, that he's hurt anyway. But for her, she's just like taking it so seriously, so dramatic about it, and she feels, and it feels like that she was bottling everything up, or that it just hurts her so much to do this kind of thing. Yeah, that's why I'd say it's like it's more for herself than for him. And it should be, really, because that's like how a relationship is.
Right. Exactly. No. Yeah. Got to have a healthy balance, as well as I mean, you have to be willing to give a relationship a certain amount of attention in order to help your significant other, in order to not help them, but make them feel like they're important. And if you can't deliver that, then, it's something that you have to assess and whatnot. And I feel like that's probably what his girlfriend probably had been doing since the beginning of this endeavor for him.
Yeah.
Just kind of assessing her own worth and seeing where she fits in and seeing how she feels about where she fits in.
Yep.
Yeah, no.
And I like and just that breakup, I mean, she has the time to think about it. He does not. So
Yeah.
the fact that it went on for that long means that she thought for a very long time.
It does suck though that as soon as we find out about his girlfriend, she's breaking up with him.
Yeah. Like we did it was mentioned at least once, probably in like the first or second episode.
And that's interesting too that they, as writers, they decide to do it like that because they make it such a minor part of his character that that's kind of like how it reflects how he probably made her a part of his life and whatnot because he was trying to balance studies, the track and field stuff. He doesn't have a job, does he?
No.
No, right. But still, I mean, he was making it his job basically to try to find people to help fund their team and whatnot too, making the website, going out to the market and stuff.
Exactly. And he was the one that made those shirts too, by the way.
Right. Yeah, exactly. So it kind of shows us just where he was putting his time and where he wasn't putting his time and the consequences, I suppose, of his actions.
Right, exactly. You can't have everything. Some things have to be sacrificed.
Yes, exactly.
Because we're only human.
Boom. Yeah, right there.
But I mean, if she doesn't find someone else, like after all this, if he were to come back, I would bet that she would choose him again.
She would.
Yeah. Because I mean, at the end of the day, it was that this thing is taking up all his time, and once he's freed from that, then he'll have a lot more time for her, and they can work things out from there.
Right. Yeah, I mean, if it comes down to where it was just the lack of time he was able or willing to give towards his relationship, then I do believe that, yeah, she would be more than willing to come back to him once he has that time available. It's just probably not best for, maybe she was thinking about him, like if he's stressing about having to spend time with me, he can't do his best towards this goal of his.
Right, exactly.
So by removing myself from the
equation,
right, it'll just help him in the end to focus on something.
Right, exactly. Yeah. That's exactly it, Like, it sucks that it has to be that way, but I'm sure that she can see that she knows him enough that it's for the best kind of thing.
Watch next episode. She's gonna be dating that one runner in purple, that Fujuki guy.
Fujioka. Yeah.
Then we'll see her true colors. She just a hoe.
Yeah. But I mean, Shindo can get any girl he wants, honestly. Like, such a hard worker and so charismatic, and like, it's just a matter of time. Lol. Yeah. Yeah, I don't doubt him one bit. Just keeps being himself, and it'll work out.
Yeah, he's always been one of my favorite minor characters on the show. Or not, I don't want to call him minor, but
yeah.
One of my favorite.
You'd think that they're side characters, but if anything, it's that they're all somewhat main characters, and they get 10% of the pie.
Yeah,
like Kakeru, Kakeru and Haiji may get like maybe 15 to 20%, but they'll still get like something like, yeah, something like that, right?
Right.
Yeah, I mean, it is true that Haiji and Kakeru are the true main characters, but they do give the others quite a bit of time. At the very least, I would not consider them background characters. Side characters, debatable. Supporting
Yeah.
characters?
Supporting, yeah, I would say. I mean, because for both Haiji and Kakaru, a lot of their storyline depends on the rest of the team and whatnot. I mean,
Yes,
everything
yes.
just went, if everything ran smoothly with the team, then there wouldn't be much character development for them.
That is
Not
true.
much, at least. So,
Yeah, yeah.
so yeah.
Especially Kakeru.
Right, exactly, exactly.
Get off the team. uh, in any case, though, and, and also another thing to remember is that like their personalities are a reflection of their past. So in terms of Kakeru, when he says something like that, it's because that's what he's seen from his coach in the past. It's like you're pretty much useless. So I want you off the team if you can't get a good time. Like
Right.
that's definitely something that you could see that a coach would say.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, but he himself, he just picked it up from him.
Yep.
Yeah, it just everybody is born a blank slate, and when you see someone act a certain way, it's just because that's how their past was.
Yep. That makes sense. Yeah, a lot of sense.
I only say that because that's just me. like I had a lot of time to self reflect and look at others and study them. So and I always like make theories and see where and see if certain things can happen. So I'll like predict what their actions would be, or what they would say, or like how something might come back to bite them in the future, stuff like that. And more often than not, I'm right. So but that's also but then like there's also the part of me that's supposed to grow as a person, which uh obviously I'm gonna have my own strifes to deal with, and like things that are part of you stick with you forever. But as long as I have the intention to be better, then I shouldn't mind it. Even if I do act that way, even if I do have even if I keep reminding myself of my past, uh, as long as I have the intention to improve, then I shouldn't be getting down on myself, kind of thing.
Right. Mm-hmm.
But yeah, like other than that though, let's move on to the next thing.
To the next thing.
Yeah.
Are we going back to Git then?
Yeah, that's right. GitLab.
All right, I gotta open up my
I don't even know
thing
what to open up.
again.
I don't even know what to open up.
Yeah, how do we get to? Yeah, how do we get to that? I guess that coding window or whatever it's called.
Yeah, so this is what we're looking at right now, right, with the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the GitLab website.
Was that just through the website that we were typing on, like when we were following along?
Yeah, yeah, we weren't like we didn't use the code program thingy, if that's what you're
Okay.
wondering.
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I was curious about. So should be able to go back here.
Yeah, let's see. I don't remember which tab it was for me anyway. Which one was it? 17 major releases coming May 16th. Okay. Deprecated features. As in like features that aren't being used? Is that what you mean? 3 breaking change windows during which we expect breaking changes to be deployed to GitLab.com. Sure, read more about it. All right. All right, maybe it was this one. I don't know. Let's see. So, I'll have to share the screen somehow, I guess. Maybe like this. No, I need a full window for this. So I'm gonna go like that. Huh. Okay. I see. So the thing was that my computer, I needed to restart it. And when I got back to this video, it was around like the 30 range. So
sure.
now we need to like go back to the part that we were at before, but I don't know where that part is. So we're just gonna have to go through all this again.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we'll try to see if we can like start from here actually. Let's see. So I think that he's making a new thing. Okay, main test project. So learn GitLab. You want to be a residual. Okay. Okay, so yeah, there's this stuff, right? Okay, so we'll like I'll start from there from and how about you? How's it looking on your end?
All right. I just started sharing my screen, so I'm just looking at where you're at now.
Okay.
And then, all right. So you just went to the residual.
Yeah, so over here, residual. Like
Right.
that, and you should have like something like that, right?
Yeah, projects right
Projects.
here. Here, let's see if I go all the way back to the home page. All right, so projects.
Another one.
And
Yeah,
there's
there.
a
Yeah, yeah.
residual. Okay.
Just choose that. Okay,
Okay,
there
there.
we go. Now we're on the same page. All right,
Sweet.
let's see what he has to say now. Okay, into the local machine. Repository, I'm always gonna think of the repository as like this folder of everything to do with the coding, basically. And I'm wondering if the assets are included, like, for example, pictures, music, stuff like that, right? Those
Right.
assets.
Right.
I would be hoping so anyway.
Yes, and
Okay, so like when he's like introducing all this stuff, like it's not really important because we're not gonna retain any of it. So I'm gonna skip
I've
it,
got
okay?
that.
Yeah. So I'm gonna skip it. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we already went through all this. We're gonna. Okay, so yeah, I think that one will. He's actually making us do something. So I gotta go to issues. Let's see. Open. Huh. Right. We did do that. All right, I'm gonna skip this one. Okay, yeah, true. I forgot that we ended it off like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, not exactly.
Okay. Uh, let's see. Oh man, like our layout is different from his, so it threw me off for a second.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, I get. Oh, edit is right here. Okay. Yeah. Are you following along? Fine.
Yep. I got the edit, and then he did what? Bracket space bracket, and then I. Did he just do a dash before that, or did he do a bullet list?
Let's see. Okay. So yeah, if you feel there's space in between, it's because there is.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. So yeah, do that exact same thing. Although, like for me, on my end, it's showing an asterisk before the hyphen or whatever. I don't know why, but it is. Should I just get rid of it?
Let me see what you got going on.
Oh, you want to see? Oh, sure.
Oh,
Yeah, right here.
okay. So yeah, I mean, I saw that as well. I just deleted that, and then I did the. when I pushed the bullet, I got the same thing as the dash. Then yeah, I just added that extra space that he has there as well.
Oh, yeah, the extra space. Maybe that's what really did it. Okay, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Cool.
Okay, yeah, we have the side menu on the right. And then it seems that I'm automatically assigned so I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, I assigned mine to you before, so
That's funny.
a lot of work to do, Victor. Oh.
I guess okay, yeah. I'll just go back. Okay.
Hey, quick, Victor, just pause the video.
Yeah.
And then, are you looking at my screen at all?
Right.
I think we're doing the same issue basically, so then I can't okay mine since yours is already.
Wait, really? Okay. I mean, that just goes to show. Are you...
Oh, can't
Okay,
do
yeah,
now.
so I guess we can't have the same issue.
So
Let's
maybe
see.
I'll do.
Can I just like read it actually?
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me just cancel that out. All right, go ahead.
Someone edited this issue at the same time that you did. Please refresh your browser and make sure your changes will not unintentionally remove theirs. Someone edited the issue at the same time you did. Review the issue and make sure you don't unintentionally overwrite their changes. Yeah, so we were on the same issue. Okay, that's interesting.
So what happens when
That's something new to learn. So that means that you needed to make a new issue for yourself instead
Yeah,
of like I did. I thought that we were both on different issues that you've created your own, but
same. I thought I had done that earlier, but I guess not. So
it
let me
says
just do.
created 5 days ago by Victor.
Because this is the one I was working on. Okay, so I'll just do that. This is test issue only. Create issue. Okay, and now when I go to that to edit, let's see. Oh yeah, he did star
Bullet
there.
point. Yeah. Okay.
Bullet point.
Yeah.
Tab. Other test. Looks like that. Save changes. All right. And I'll just assign myself. Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
All
Awesome.
right. I'll put up.
Yep. All right. Now we can go to the next thing, which is you gotta go to the main menu again, basically.
Okay.
Yeah. So he's gonna make a new branch. So we gotta do the same now.
All right. And how did he get to the new branch? Was that on the side over here?
It's the plus thing, plus menu.
Plus menu. Right here.
Oh,
Creating
no,
new.
not that one. It's the one that's beside residual. Yeah, that one.
New branch.
All right.
All right.
So like anything that he names and whatnot, we'll do like for me, I'll add a V, and for you, you'll add a E. Okay.
Oh, sure. There we go. I like that.
Now that we know that we can have conflicting things. Okay, for me, it says my branch name is invalid.
Do you have a space?
Yeah, I can't contain spaces, apparently.
Yeah, I just ran into that myself.
Okay. There you go. I guess it's good now. All right, let's look for that.
Subsection, branches.
Could it be in... Oh, I found it in the repository.
Where was it? Repository?
Yeah. So,
Oh, right there, branches. Okay.
yeah. Or maybe it was code repositories, one of those things. Oh, repository is in code as well. So that means that branches was right under repository in the list, which they are both under the code family anyway.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
All right, so we both have ours.
Yeah, that's right. See all branch related settings together with branch rules. Okay, I guess we're gonna do that then. Yeah.
What are you doing?
So let's see. Oh, you don't have it. Okay. Yeah, it's only on my end then.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, right here, as you can
Uh,
see, view branch rules.
okay, yeah, I didn't have that.
Yeah. So things that we're learning that you're limited on, really.
Right, which is good.
Yeah, good info. Okay, protected branches, expand. Okay, for me, this is what it looks like. So I don't have
Okay.
like some kind of list or anything.
No, yeah.
I guess I have to
Interesting.
add a protected branch. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Apparently.
There you go.
So I'm gonna make this smaller again. Don't mind the Dragon Ball.
Pay no attention to the Dragon Ball in the background.
All right. Okay. Good thing I talked about that Dragon Ball, cause like, then you'd be wondering, oh, what's with the Dragon Ball?
Hey, wait, what's going on here?
Why did we talk about this? Okay. His terminal. This terminal, what kind of terminal? It's not the same one. How did we have that in the first place?
Yeah, that's what I was asking about before.
Yeah.
Is that Git? Oh, okay.
You found it?
Yeah, under all my apps, I just see there's a Git one, and then now I'm at least seeing the symbol, that the Git bash, Git CMD, or command, I would suppose.
Oh, Git.
The
Yes.
Git GUI?
Yeah, either Git GUI or Git CMD.
CMD here. Okay,
Okay, so yeah, this is what Git GUI looks like.
let me see. Oh, the Git GUI just opens up that. Okay.
Yeah. This is Git CMD, which is still different, actually.
Still different, yeah. It's not what it looked like before.
Wow, I have that many files. Why you looking at all this, huh?
Why are you looking at all this?
All right, Git bash. Okay, so let's get bash. All
Bash?
right.
Yeah, there we go. That's what we need.
How's it for you?
Um,
Paste, yeah, like that. Oh,
no such. Oh,
yeah,
for me.
you did it wrong.
Hmm.
You had to do git clone and then paste it. Or well, I mean, he pasted it and then he went back to the beginning to input git clone.
Oh, okay. So he pasted it. Oh, wait, no, it's not there at all.
Really?
Hold on, let me just copy it again.
Yeah, you just copied it again, I guess.
Oh, wait, no, that's not what I gotta do. Gotta do that way, paste, and then he went back to the beginning
Yeah. Yeah, you're just gonna
and
do it that way, yeah.
wrote git clone,
Yep. Oh,
no space.
needs a space between git and clone.
Okay, git clone, and then that, and
There you
cloning
go.
into residual. Okay, there we
You
go.
did it. All right, man.
Excellent.
How fast did you input that? What the? How did he just make that appear like that? Let's see. What the heck happened here, though? Oh my god. What?
Jeez, What do you got going on?
Yeah, seriously. I'm on master. Oh, I need to be like in lambda test or something. Like his is lambda test anyway, but I don't know on my end. This is
Yeah,
right.
I'm getting something more similar to what you have, I think.
Yeah.
I did list.
Mm-hmm. A whole list when we should be just at like for him when he LSs it just shows the Moss test project.
Right. Yeah, that's.
Oof.
You think it's because there's two of us working on it?
No, that's not it at all. It's because of our directory. Notice how you're in master. So main
Oh,
W64 master. He's in like lambda tests, and he doesn't have he doesn't have a master on his.
interesting.
Yeah, so. Hmm.
Hmm. Indeed.
How do we get, like, how do we move to things again? How do we move throughout directories?
Uh. Yeah. What was that?
Let's see, so I'm just gonna go back a bit. Let's see, 126.06. Let's remember that. In fact, I'll even copy the starting point.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Uh, so now we know that CD is supposed to put us into that repository or whatever. Gonna go back now. So CD Moss test project. And for us, what does that mean for us though? Residual CD residual. I don't know. Or we'll just have to go back to the VOD that had it,
Hmm.
cause I have no idea. Like I don't remember anything. Let's see here. Ooh, too bad. I want to go to my VODs, YouTube Studio. Okay, I want to go to my content, go to my live, go to Renpy Learning 10.
Hmm.
Would this be it? I don't know. The last time that we learned, we didn't do the thing.
Oh, we didn't. Dang it.
Yeah. But this one,
Okay.
Renpy 9.
So, I mean, after I did that whole CD thing,
Right.
I just did the git clone with the tab again, and then when I did ls, I just got residual.
Let's see. So CD test project.
Yeah, after I did I did the git config dash dash global init dot default branch main, then the cd test dash project / and then it added the test project and switched from master to main. And then after I successfully did the git clone with copy and paste of residual, all I had to do was the ls, and I got this this guy right here on my end.
Right. You're back to the thing. Interesting. Okay. So it was test project then. At what point? Oh man, I guess I don't often show the thing on screen, which makes sense.
Mm.
After this, we were going back to Renpy.
Oh yeah, well.
Okay, so it must be on 8 then. In any case, I'll try the CD test project then. Gonna do that first.
Okay.
Okay, so back on that, and then let's see LLS, see what's in there. Okay, and then how about him? Git clone, ls, MOS test project, cd test project, MOS test project, ls, al, total 20.
You know, it's kind of interesting because where he has it just saying MOS test project, I have residual, and then it has those like hello txt, and I accidentally did a hello.txt one as well. But it has both of those before it says test project.
Yeah, I think that you have another test project folder, basically. So you have that one, and then you made a new one.
Oh, because he must have completely cleared his before this lesson.
No, no, no. I think that his is the same as always. I think it's just that you made it's just your mistake showing, really.
Oh yeah, this part. No, yeah, I know that is. But I'm just saying his doesn't have anything. Like he had the hello
He doesn't have the
txt as well.
hello. Oh, he doesn't have the hello.txt stuff, right?
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm getting at.
Okay, okay. Let's see. LS MOS test project. Yes, yes.
Because that's the same thing he was doing when he first started with us. So.
Yeah, for me, I mean, mine doesn't show. Oh, I guess. Yeah. Let's see.
You have the
So he
hello
moves
txt.
into it. Yeah, I think the reason it doesn't show is because he's not inside the mouse test project like we are, because we are inside our test project, but he wasn't when he did it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's still outside of it. That's why it only shows mouse test project.
Okay, that makes sense then.
And then here is him moving into it with CD.
Mm,
Yeah, not and
okay.
then after moving into it, he does ls dash al, and then I just did the same thing. Mine says total 26, his says total 20, and then I'm guessing. Okay, so he has a readme dot md. So yeah, you are correct that he does not have the hello stuff because I have hello.txt and test.txt, but he doesn't.
Mm,
So you are right about that still anyway. But he
right. Yeah, I
does
just.
have a README, which is, I think the README is the thing that he imported from the website, from the GitLab.
Oh.
Maybe,
Okay.
maybe anyway.
Maybe.
Let's
Because
just
now
go.
I have the dot and the dot dot, then the dot get, and then I have residual, and then the hellos,
Text project.
then the text project, test project.
And then the residual, you can see the date to April 28th.
Oh yeah, right. So
Yeah.
today, so you've just modified it. Then yeah, 6 days ago, 7 days ago for those. Okay, interesting.
Let's see. Like the Shangri-La drive. Like, what the heck? Shangri-La. My God. Well, I forgot which country that belongs to Shangri-La or whatever. Is it like Indian or something?
I think so. That sounds right.
Hmm.
Shangri-La. Hmm.
Let's see. So he did the git clone in lambda test. So he cloned it into mouse test project. So, and then what about me? How did it look like on my end? I cloned it into residual, which, yeah, that's supposed to be the case. Cloning into residual, cloning into mouse test project. So I'm in the test project, but I'm not in residual. That's what it's telling me. So what if I cd residual then? No such file or directory. Okay. Interesting.
Oh, well, now when I did CD residual, it just added residual onto here.
I think it's not that it added it; it's that you always had it and you just moved into it. So look back, with the you see the hello.txt stuff, and then above it is residual.
Right,
So
right.
you've always had
And
it. And then on
and
my
so now
end,
it did.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and then on my end, no, I don't have a residual.
Really?
Yeah, as you can see from here.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Oh
using
yeah,
the
there
main
we go.
stream. Yeah, so I don't have a residual
Interesting.
for myself. Yeah, you have total 30, huh? Okay, but in any case, though, so that's there anyway. But at the end of the day, I don't have it, so I'm gonna try the thing again, which is git clone. Yeah, okay, so we'll do that. Let's see what happens. And then I have to right click. Oh, I did not see that coming.
I did not see that. What a twist.
Yeah. Is there any? There's no way to like. I wish there was a way to highlight and then delete. Maybe I do like that. No, still nothing.
No.
So I just have
Yeah,
to
that's
delete it
annoying.
manually. That sucks. I mean, it should
Very
be better than
annoying.
that, in my opinion.
Right.
So just do this again. Go to code, clone, back to this, paste, done. Okay, so let's ls. And I have it. Okay, so that means that this residual thing uh, was cloned into master, which I might want to like delete that one now
Mm-hmm.
somehow if he teaches me.
Yeah, right. Maybe I'll go into it.
Hopefully, I mean, he deleted the hello text stuff without teaching us.
Of course, right? Yeah, he's kind of just leaving us in the dust.
Yeah, I mean, not his fault though.
No, yeah.
Okay. Your branch is up to date with origin slash main. Nothing to commit. Working tree clean. Main branch changes not staged for commit. Okay, hello.txt, untracked files residual. No changes not to commit. Use git add or git commit. Ah. Okay, well, that's weird. So I feel like I'm doing something wrong still.
Um, changes not stage for command.
Okay, so
Oh, Is your
Yeah.
hello txt something wrong with that file?
Yeah. Like it's not added to the main branch, so that's why.
Um,
Yeah, it's not. I need to do the git add or git commit so that the changes go through to the main branch, and this one is just added just now. So I am doing something wrong. I mean, in the first place, like that master thing, like he has a
hmm,
lambda test, but we're not on some test. Like I wish I could see what's behind this test project,
yeah,
because
I know,
that
right?
would help me a lot. Is it just the Ming?
Mm, yeah, I don't know.
So what if I do cd Ming dot 64 w64? No such file directory. Okay. Okay, so that thing just does not matter at all.
I guess not. That's so weird. Ing W64.
Oh well. I'm just gonna keep going with this. You know that's the worst thing to do ever. Like you should not be doing that. But I mean, at the end of the day, we're not gonna be able to like use any of this stuff anyway. Uh, and we'll just be like, instead of a video, we'll be like following some kind of guide or something, written
More than
guide.
likely, yeah. Hmm. Oh, I did not open that.
Yep. Ugh. We lost. We lost.
Yeah.
All because
Because,
we closed our git bash thingy and then now we're stuck.
right.
Oh well.
Oh,
You know what? It was good while it lasted.
it's good while it lasted. Do
I
that.
think we actually have to end it off here because there's no way that like we can continue like this, not being able to do the same things that he's doing.
Yeah, we'd have to start everything over from the beginning.
Something like that
Jeez.
anyway. But
Yeah,
yeah.
how did he get that to go up there? Is that because he copied the README and not the project?
No. The project included the README. So
Right.
cloning this, it has the README in it.
It would have the README in it, right? So I'm just
Yeah.
confused as to what's going wrong on my end.
Oops. Anyway, there. So let's see. Yeah, it's just a README. But I mean, it's the same for me too, right? I mean, at the end of
Yeah.
the day, we're both having the same problem.
README.md? Maybe that's what you mean? Oh, there we go.
Oh, you got
That's
it.
it.
Nice, nice.
README.md. This guy needs to make sure he's explaining himself entirely.
I think
Yep.
I don't think it's his fault. At the end of the day, he's 2022 and we're 2024.
Yeah, that's a good point too.
So
Yeah.
like, there's really nothing that we can do about it other than, well, try to figure it out for ourselves, which you did, and that's awesome because that just means that uh, you you have something going right at the end of the day. But for me, it's not working.
It
So
still didn't work? Did you
yeah,
do all caps on the README?
yeah, I did. Yeah,
Cheating.
readme.md. Yeah,
Yeah, and it didn't. Oh, that's so weird.
yeah.
Huh.
Oh.
README.md.
Maybe it's because
Oh, yeah.
residual. Maybe I'll go. Maybe I'll like see if I can like CS to there. Command not found. Okay. Let's see. Going up to CD. Sorry, a CD. Not
Oh, yeah,
CS.
do that. CD residual.
Okay, now I'm on there, and now let's try Vim. I'm still gonna try readme. Okay, so it doesn't do anything.
Did it switch you back to the main branch? That's what it
No,
looked
no,
like.
no, no.
See, you're back on main. You're not in the README
Right.
introduction. It's weird.
Okay, yeah.
Well,
That's what I thought. All right then. Okay, so now we're back in the game. Let's go.
back at it again.
So he did the introduction thing. I can't do anything. What? Okay, whatever.
I was showing under weird.
Are you having a problem?
It's not letting me type. Oh, there
Yeah,
you go.
so just I think you got it. Yeah, there you go. I was just gonna say like key bash or something, like just press any key on your keyboard and you should
Okay,
be
yeah,
able to.
I was asking what I was gonna ask what you specifically push, but yeah, if it's just randomly pushing stuff, I guess. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah, just like some letter, maybe even a few, until it lets you type.
Right. Yep. And you said name mouse. Oh, name Ethan.
So I do Victor.
Activities. By
Keep them
two.
spaced properly.
Does he have multiple spaces?
Let's see here. No, I'm just saying for the sake of making sure that we're doing it right because I didn't space it properly myself.
Ah, right, right. Did he do 2 hashtags before the introduction? Is that what that is?
Yeah, you also did it. Yeah. So
Just making sure. Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
yeah. All right. So I'm good to go.
Oh yeah, all good to go.
All right. Save and quit. Just gotta check to make sure. Okay. Yeah.
Did you do the WQ
Yeah. Yeah.
quit?
Colon WQ. Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Let's see what
Then you
else did
did
he.
get status.
Okay. Okay.
Get status. Then you did get add readme. And then get status again. Modified. And then get commit. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Everything seems right. On our version, we have an untracked files. Well, I don't see it. Untracked files on his side.
Oh, that's because we both did the thing with the README.
I mean, we're on the same thing anyway. We're doing the exact same thing that he's doing, and I think that the reason why we have untracked files while he doesn't is because he's on an older version.
Well, no, it's because I mean, if he would have just wrote in the README without the MD, he would have a completely new file he created without
Oh,
doing it properly as well.
okay. So,
But,
yeah. I just remembered that I did make a README by accident, I guess.
yeah,
Yeah,
so
so that's
those are
what that
just our
is.
mistakes that will haunt us throughout the rest of this learning process.
Right. Yeah, but you're showing understanding. That's the important thing.
For sure.
Git pull. Ugh. How about you? How's it going on your end?
I think I got pretty much the same thing that he got.
Yeah, mine's failed.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me just move my bash and look at yours. That is odd. I don't know. You didn't do anything different than what I did, so git push. Hold on, let me make it full screen so we can look at it better. Git push dash u origin readme hyphen introduction. Yeah, that's exactly what he wrote in. So
Error. Failed to push some rest too. Okay.
do you think it's because I did it first and we're both doing it on the same thing?
I mean,
I don't know if that should affect it.
no. Cause maybe actually. Maybe. Let's see if I do it again. Git push u origin readme introduction. Okay. Let's see what it has to say first.
Oh, I see the README introduction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah.
What if you did README introduction V?
Let's see here. Git push u origin readme introduction v. Yeah. Failed. Okay.
Done. That's weird.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. It's because I don't have one. I'm guessing. Because I git commit updating project readme with introduction, and your branch is up to date with origin main. Changes to be committed. Git status. Let's try to get status to see what's up. Okay. Let's head ahead of by one commit. Use git push to publish your local commits. Let's see what happens if I refresh now. Okay, so nothing is happening, but we do know that you changed this to add
Hmm.
this.
Hmm.
Okay. So that's something that we need to keep in mind as well as when we're doing this, that we need to keep using E and V versions
Even on the bash. Yep. Okay. It's good to know.
just for the tutorial and whatnot.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
But at the end of the day, we were technically successful.
Yeah. And then we found something else on our own. So,
Right.
so you want me to go through with that still, or can you?
I don't know.
Let
Do
me
you
see.
have it? Do you have merge request?
Yeah. Okay. So it says you push README introduction, create merge request.
Okay, so yeah, do it then. Because I don't see it on my end
Okay.
that I know of. I mean, like, I don't know if I'm like, if I need to be somewhere else or something. Files, repository. Well, I don't think I need any more than that, really. But yeah, I mean, it seems that you'll have to do it anyway.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's see. Resolve conflicts. Oh, oh, my thing's in there.
Oh, so yours did get added, but it just didn't show?
It just comes out with an error because of what you said, right? Like, we both have the same thing and same
Right,
title, and then it's just like, yeah, this one says use ours, use theirs, which theirs is actually mine, really, but
right, yeah.
you can resolve the
Interesting.
merge conflict using either the interactive mode by using the use ours or use theirs button, or by editing the files directly. Commit these changes into the. Okay.
So you can change it from right there?
Yeah, but it seems I'm choosing one over the other.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, just choose one. Then commit. Then after that, still blocked.
Seems to be the case. One changes, one commit. Okay. A diff of the changes. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah. There it is. Comment.
How do
And
you like my
apparently,
biking and tennis?
mhm. Comment is line or drag for multiple lines.
Oh,
Okay.
two ten.
Dude.
Right. Yeah.
So here's one, and then I don't see the other. It's like, let's see. Yeah, yeah. Okay, maybe I need to. I'm gonna go back. Okay, yeah, I did. Yeah, let's see. It doesn't say anywhere to submit review. How does he get it? Yeah, it just automatically brings him there.
Must be nice.
Yeah, but it's pending for me. So what about you? What does it look like on your end?
Well, in the assign or
Oh,
in the
go to
activity part.
changes. Go to changes.
Oh, and the changes. Okay, so now I'm looking at this. My comment, and we got that. Didn't you make 10 jumping jacks
Yeah.
comment?
So oh, there's a finished review down here. Look on
On
my
your
end. Yeah. It's all the way down there.
oh,
Yeah.
pending comment and then finish review.
Apparently. Comment.
Submit. Okay, and now let me go on my side quick.
Yeah. See if it shows up on your end.
There we go. Yep, I see it.
Okay. Now we gotta go back to the overview and let's see. So there's the didn't and there's the 10 jumping jacks apparently at the bottom. I guess it
Yep,
goes from top to bottom then. When it
I
does
guess.
updating, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, do those 10 jumping jacks right now. Let's go. Come on. It's not resolved until then.
And 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and all right, that's all I can do.
uh, huh? What the? What did we just miss? What?
Right.
Okay. Uh, I think maybe you have to do it, but I'm just gonna follow along anyway.
All right, so then you said he save and quit. All right.
Going to the beach.
The WQ or QW? Now I'm having a brain fart.
WQ.
WQ. Okay. Perfect. All right, so I did that. Now what's he saying to do?
Let's see. Let me just finish my end. Oh, sorry. What? I accidentally typed. Uh-oh. Whoops.
Whoops.
Okay. The staging area. Okay, you're good?
Yep. Good. All right, awesome. Caught up.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, that's all you.
All right, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm getting a rejected when I just did the git push.
Oof.
Is that because of the untracked files we still have here?
I wouldn't know, man. Like, that one, that's defeating me. I don't think so, anyway.
Can you go back to why when he was explaining why he doesn't need the dash U or something?
Sure.
It's just a few seconds.
Which, we also already did too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
See what did hint say here?
Yeah.
Updates were rejected because the remote contains work that you do not have locally. This is usually caused by another repository pushing the same ref. If you want to integrate the remote changes, use git pull before pushing again.
Okay. So you'll just have
That's
to do that then.
pull.
Yeah.
Is that it? Okay, what is this now? Merge branch, readme introduction of GitLab.com.
Okay.
Oh, I should have done the
So it's
needed
done it.
so I should have done. Oh, well, there's that then.
Now you'll want to redo the thing, I think. So back to what we were doing before. It was
Just to git push.
Vim. We want to do Vim readme.md. See if those changes are still there at least.
Yeah,
And
jumping
10
jacks.
jumping jacks. Good. Okay, so quit that then. Save it. Okay. And then let's do a git status again. See what's up with it. Just to make sure. So
Sure.
yeah. It's still the same thing by 2 commits now. Huh. Oh well.
Interesting.
Yeah, and then do git push.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so then yeah, git pull was all we needed to do to like get everything to work.
That's interesting.
Yeah, he didn't have to do it, but we have to do it because of the changes that we had to make due to both of us being there.
Oh, yeah. Right.
All right then. So now that that's done. Just gonna go ahead and check that right now. Adding third activity to project README, merge branch README introduction of GitLab.com. Okay, so that's done. So I'm gonna approve. Then so we're going to home page. Putting in yours.
Okay.
Okay. I don't remember what squash commits do.
Squash commits. What did they? Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember exactly what he said for that either. Something about squashing the commits, I believe.
No, can't be. Merges into the third way. Each time a branch merges into your base branch, up to 2 commits are added. It's a single commit created by squashing the commits from the branch and a merge commit, unless you have enabled fast forward merges in your project. Fast forward merges disable merge commits. By default, squashed commits contain the following metadata: message, author, committer. Yeah, I'm not gonna continue with that. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Wait, it did not delete the source branch? Like, did you uncheck delete source branch?
I didn't uncheck anything. I don't think anything was checked.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I don't want to go back and revert it. There was just the squash option and then something else, and I did not select either of those.
Mm-hmm.
I just did the approve up here and then went with the merge.
Interesting. Okay. So tags.
Tags.
It's still, it's like
Yes.
yeah. Okay, we have it. Yeah.
Hard release.
You found it?
Yeah, it was just
Okay, yeah, deploy, got it.
below. Yep. And now it's saying get started with releases.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
So that doesn't seem right.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Right, because he got his right up there. Weird.
Oh, we have to create release, I guess. Yeah. Release title.
Oh,
Okay, so what happened was that because we're on a newer version, we have to manually create releases of our tags. So let's do that.
okay.
Yeah, so go back to tags and go to your tag.
Yep. I'm on mine right here.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Okay. So I'm done. So I just created mine. How about you?
Yep. And we don't need to add anything to URL or link.
No, we didn't do that. No, he
Just
didn't do it
did
anyway.
release. Okay.
There you go. Okay, so over here, as we can see, both of ours is here. Yeah, like these releases are really good because, like for the game anyway, we'd be making these releases, and then people can then check it out and see what changed.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah. All right.
Were you
So,
able to get all that?
huh?
Were you able to get all that on yours?
Yeah, it's just that I was thinking of like having notes on these commands somewhere. Now, there is a Git cheat sheet anyway.
Yeah, yeah. I downloaded
So,
that when you sent that.
right. Yeah, so we need to start looking at this more when we don't understand what we're supposed to do or
Oh,
what we could have done, right? Git branch,
right.
the branch name, Git branching model, storing your work, configuration, starting project, day-to-day work. Okay, so it's in here, so that's good anyway. We don't have to like look, we don't have to do anything.
Watch this video or anything. Yeah. Where did you find that? Was that just on the GitLab thing? Oh yeah. Okay.
About GitLab images. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Can't say I remember where I got it though. But yeah. I don't even know like if I should save this somewhere or what.
I mean, I think I downloaded it just into my phone.
Mm-hmm. Just download it, even though I wouldn't know where to put it honestly. Okay. Okay, so pruning. Get
Yeah,
diff.
there we go.
Get pull prune. Get pull remote. Synchronizing. So pruning, is that even here though? Okay. Pruning doesn't seem to be here, huh?
No, yeah, I'm not seeing it. Interesting.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. So how are we gonna add that in anyway? Pruning. How would you like to make note of pruning?
Pruning. Is there any way we could do something else on the project server where we do like well, you have the coding center.
Yeah.
I mean, could we just? I mean, do we want to put something in there for like just Git commands in general? And then we could add like a link to the sheet and then just add our own commands that we're learning that aren't on the sheet.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Or
Yeah.
if there's a more organized way to do it, for sure, we could do that.
Right, I think that for now we'll do that. So
Okay.
first, I'm going to go there. Then gonna do get content. Then I'm going to pin that or create thread first, I guess. Then we're gonna add in the cheat sheet.
Excellent.
And then let's see. Get pull prune is well, I'll do it in
Oh,
what? You found it?
so on number 9, the synchronizing repositories, they have git fetch and then dash dash prune
Interesting.
remote. But what does it say? Delete remote refs that were removed from the remote repository. Is that basically what we did? But we didn't need the dash dash or the fetch.
We did do the dash dash. It was get pull dash dash prune. So it
Oh,
is
that's what it
different.
was.
But at the very least, prune is in the document. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're taking from the online GitLab repository and deleting access files in the local. Okay, does that make sense? If you read the thread, go into the thread and read my comment with git pull prune.
See, git pull prune is when you're taking from the online GitLab repository and deleting excess files in the local. Yeah.
Okay.
Very clearly, that's what you're going for.
Yeah. Just gonna make sure. Let's see. Please commit your changes or stash them before you merge. Aborting. Okay. So that's not gonna happen because I have something that they want me to stash. So git stash, I'm guessing it would be if I go to Ignoring files. Interesting. Day-to-day work, starting a project, storing your work, git stash, put current changes in your working directory into stash for later use. So I see. Git status. No. And now I'll do ls. So I do have readme. Git stash. Then I do git pull prune. Fast forward, files changed, 2 insertions, 2 deletions. Okay. I guess that does it. What? It's just deleted everything out. Git branch all. Did you do that?
I believe so. Yep, git branch all, and then it told me that the readme was now gone.
I like how I have a production E production and production V too.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So going to what enlist? Issues enlist. Eh? I don't see a list here. What? Oh well.
Nor do I.
And you were already there. I can close issue. Okay, so it was weird to me that like close issue is not like out there. Instead, it's in this the list thing or whatever. So it's quite interesting.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's not out here. Instead, I have to press on this to get the close issue.
I mean, that's weird. I mean, on mine, I think I may be looking at a different one. Go back to this. You're in the modify project readme, right?
Uh-huh.
You're just only in the edit. Because there's the one down here.
Oh, there's one down there, huh? Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. Good to know. Thank you.
Yours is also there. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Good stuff.
All right. And I'm going to go on to that one.
Mark it as done. Let's see.
Issue marked as done.
Add a to do. I don't have a mark as done. How about you?
Oh, well, I just clicked a mark as done here and it changed to add a to do.
Oh, okay. I guess
But
that
I'm on,
means that we can both do it or something.
I guess, but I'm on the test issue. Are you
Oh,
on?
you're
I
on the
thought you were on.
test issue. I'm on the
Yeah,
modify.
so,
Yeah.
right. So that's weird. It should have allowed you to do that. That's why I went to the other issue so I could do it myself.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh well.
Congratulations.
Finally. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's already past the time for you though.
And I gotta get heading out.
Yep. All right then.
All right. Well, that was thoroughly confusing but fun.
Yeah, and we managed to get through all of it too, like thanks to you.
Yeah, no, I'm glad I could help.
Yeah.
I'm glad we solved that together and everything.
Yeah, yeah. All right then.
Well, I'll be meeting you up to tomorrow. Can we do it at, what are you thinking, 7 o'clock CST, or is
Yeah,
that
I
what
mean,
you do?
anytime you want, like if we can go earlier, then I'd like that too.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see what I can do, and I'll let you know throughout the day. See if I can't move it up.
Okay. All right, awesome. But if nothing else, then 7 p.m. CST it is.
Okay. Yep. Sounds good to me.
All right. So I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll see
Bye.
you tomorrow. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. That was quite a bit to do. And we now know to use the git cheat sheet thing. But yeah, still quite a bit. CI/CD and migrating to GitLab CI/CD, and then the GitLab pipelines. My gosh. Bruh, 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 bruh,